Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching my videos. You guys are the best guys. Thank you so much for giving me so much love and subscribing to my channel. I have passed over 53,000 subs. Thanks for that. And as you guys can see, I got ready and this is my look for today, and I'm loving today's look, especially this lipstick, guys. Oh my god, I got this one from Amazon and it is so cheap. I got 3 matte lipsticks for £1.60 and £1.50 for the delivery charge. I believe tinta lipstick ko chai swatch haru maile tapailai previous video ma dieko thiye. So if you want to see the swatch, go ahead and watch that vlog. Ani, oh my god guys, I just love it. Look at this color, guys. It is a bright red lipstick and I'm not wearing any makeup, to be honest, today. Just winged eyeliner and little bit of shimmery eyeshadow, and it looks so elegant. Nepal ma laउँछ नि रातो सिन्दुर वाला टिका. It looks like that and I'm loving it, guys. Highly recommend you this lipstick. It is so buttery while applying and later it becomes matte, and oh my god, love it, guys. I will leave the link in the description bar below for you guys, and definitely go ahead and check out. Kylie Jenner ko lipstick launu bhanda ta yo cheap ai launu best. So guys, I'm blabbering too much about this lipstick, so I need to stop. But yeah, and if you watched my yesterday's vlog, I was looking like a monster. Oh my god guys, I was building Ikea furnitures all day for my living room, and I also promised you guys that I will show you my living room today, cause yesterday I was so tired, my hands, you guys, and I have back aches as well. I was working so hard yesterday. I started around 10 AM yesterday and finished around 9:30 or around that time, and oh my god, it was a hectic day, but it is worth it cause my living room looks so good right now, and I would like to show you my living room. So let's go ahead and check out my living room. I will give you a living room tour as promised. So guys, here's my living room, and check out this one, guys. It looks so pretty and it is exactly how I wanted. I haven't changed some of the stuffs. It is still there. It's the furniture, you know, I got new furnitures. That's why I wanted to do a new living room tour. So yes guys, let me show you my dining table first. It looks like this. I got this one from Ikea and I paid £89 for this dining table set, and look at that beauty. I really like the color as well, and this is pure wood. On Ikea ma chai it says that this wood will age beautifully, so I'm really excited for that as well, cause white color ko furniture haru lieko bhai chai राम्रो देख्थे होला, तर you know, I have to think about my budget, and for the long run I think this one is good, किनभने white furniture को चाहिँ cheap गर्छ अनि त्यो चाहिँ pure wood को पनि हुँदैन IKEA को furniture हरु. So that's why I got this one and I love it, guys. I'm so proud of myself. I built this yesterday all by myself, so thumbs up to myself. Like this video if you watched my yesterday's vlog. It was a hectic day, guys. अनि यो चाहिँ मेरो पहिलाको नै सोफा हो, 2-seater वाला, still there. अनि त्यो बुद्ध चाहिँ मैले बोर्नेबाट मगाएको थिए. त्यो भास चाहिँ मेरो cousin sisterले ल्याइदिएको हो. She got 2 of those for me. It is so pretty. Look at that. Blue color को छ अनि peacock print pani cha. So yeah guys, this is the vase, and here's the bed, guys. I didn't show you this one yesterday and I am so proud of myself. My husband helped me a little bit, but yeah, it was a hard cookie to crack like I said yesterday, but it looks so pretty. Look at this. गद्दा चाहिँ हल्का सानो भएको छ, तर yeah, I'm gonna order a new one very soon. And check out the carpet, guys. It is new as well. I got this one from Ikea as well, and it is so pretty. It is in dark gray color and goes so well with my black sofa and our black curtains. This is our TV. That's my showcase, and that Buddha is also given to me by my cousin. While she came here, she brought that to me, and it is so pretty as well. And this is our wedding picture. That's the mirror from TK Maxx. More pictures. This is me and my husband when we were young. Obviously, I am so much skinnier at that time, but yeah. Yo cabinet चाहिँ हामीले second hand shop बाट ल्याएको हो. It is almost broken, but it's still okay. तलको ड्रअरहरु चाहिँ राम्रोसँग काम गर्दैन. माथिको डिस्प्ले मात्रै राम्रो देख्छ guys, but yeah. And we also have that popcorn machine right over there. I gave that as a gift to my husband on his birthday. By the way, यो मलाई मेरो sister-in-law ले ल्याइदिएको हो. Candle holder. It is so pretty. अनि यो पनि मलाई एउटा दिदीले दिनुभएको, and it is so pretty as well. यो वास र अण्डाको सेट चाहिँ मैले तपाईहरुलाई कहिले पनि देखाएको छैन, तर यो पनि गिफ्ट नै हो. पूजा दिदी र जगत दाइले दिनुभएको. It is so pretty. I just love it. Thank you so much for this. We just love it and adore it. Thank you. अनि यो बुद्ध पनि TK Maxx बाटै हो. Candles are from Argos. अनि यो साइडमा चाहिँ यो zebra को आर्ट छ जुन चाहिँ मेरो साथीले दिएको मलाई रोजीले. It's so pretty. I just love it. अनि यो चाहिँ मेरो बुढाको फोटो हो. यो बुद्ध चाहिँ एज अ सुभिनियर मेरो बहिनीले ल्याइदिएको थाइल्यान्डबाट. अनि यो कृष्ण भगवान चाहिँ नेपालबाट ल्याएको हो. अनि यो चाहिँ सुभिनियर हो मेरो मम्मीले सिंगापुरबाट ल्याइदिएको. अनि यो पनि सुभिनियर हो मैले नै आफ्नो लागि किनेको हङकङबाट. Look at that candle. This is so pretty. Also a gift from Mona Didi. This is also a gift from my friend Maya. Candle. यो चाहिँ बल्ब छ. It's beautiful. अनि यहाँ चाहिँ मेरो money plant छ. Look at that. अन्ता दिदीले दिनुभएको. I have so many stuffs given by my friends and family, to be honest. And seriously guys, I feel so blessed to have good friends and family members. By the way, मैले यो सोफा बेडलाई चाहिँ 159 तिरेको हो. अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ यसको दुईटा ड्रअर पनि छ. यसलाई एक्सटेन्ड गरेर डबल बेड पनि बनाउन मिल्छ. So I'm really happy with this purchase. And yes guys, that's about it. That's my living room tour for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And that's about it. By the way guys, मैले त्यो living room को carpet चाहिँ यहाँ kitchen मा ल्याएर राखेको छु. And it looks like this. It doesn't look really pretty, to be honest. किनभने kitchen मा चाहिँ यस्तो टाइपको pattern अलिकति weird नै देख्छ. But what can you do guys? We are a little bit tight on our budget. So I was like, yeah, we can put this over here and it is still good. As you guys can see, हल्का हल्का चाहिँ पुरानो भएको छ, तर it is all right, you know, it looks good. Whoops, what was that? By the way, मेरो त्यो पुरानो furniture को chair चाहिँ मैले एउटा यहाँ राखेको छु, अनि एउटा माथि living room मा राखेको छु, अनि एउटा चाहिँ कहाँ राखेको छु मैले, एउटा चाहिँ store room मा राखेको छु, सामानहरु राखेको छु. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my brekkie. So guys, for my breakfast today, I'm eating same breakfast like yesterday. Hash brown चाहिँ छैन, त्यही भएर मैले चाहिँ potato wedges लाई पकाएको छु. Sausage roll, toast, egg and some tomatoes. Yummy. I'm super hungry today and kind of tired as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab. Let me switch off the lights. There you go. So guys, it's almost 12 now and I'm preparing my lunch, and let me show you what I'm cooking today. So for lunch we are eating bhat. So I am cooking some masala bori dal, which is my favorite and my husband's favorite too. अनि आज चाहिँ म एकदम different style ले चाहिँ pork बनाउँदै छु. यो चाहिँ मैले एउटा दिदीबाट सिकेको हो. यसलाई चाहिँ कसरी पकाउँछ भने, you just steam your pork belly for around 10 to 12 minutes until it's kind of cooked. And त्यसपछि चाहिँ pan fry गर्ने हो, हल्का crispy हुने गरी. नुन अनि पेपरहरु हाल्न मन लाग्छ भने हाल्ने. And that's about it guys. It is so simple but it tastes so good. So definitely try that one. अहिले पछि बनेपछि चाहिँ I will show you कस्तो देख्छ भनेर. भयो भने म हल्का बेसार पनि हाल्छु होला. तर yes guys, it's so simple and tastes so good. अनि एकछिनमा चाहिँ म यसमा मेरो ब्रोकोली पनि स्टीम गर्नेवाला छु. So it is going to be a very simple but healthy delicious lunch for me and my husband. अनि मैले मेरो भात पनि बसालेको छु. As you guys can see, मेरो सानो राइस कुकरमा. अनि भयो भने अंडा नि पकाउने विचार गर्दै छु म, तर लेट्स सी के हुन्छ. सो गाइज मैले चाहिँ बोइल्ड एग बनाउने डिसाइड गरे, किनभने मैले चाहिँ यो मोमोको भाँडामा मासु स्टीम गर्दै छु, त्यतिखेर नै यो हालेर पकाइदिन्छु. सो मैले मेरो ब्रोकोली पनि हाल्दैको छु अहिले स्टीम गर्नको लागि. अंडा चाहिँ अघि नै हालिसके. So really excited for my lunch today. So I just finished chopping my salads for today, and today we are eating carrots, yellow and green peppers and some garlic. अहिले चाहिँ मैले मेरो पोर्क बेली बनाउँदै छु. यसमा चाहिँ मैले अहिले हल्का नुन, बेसार अनि खोर्सानी हालेको छु. अनि यसलाई चाहिँ एकछिन पाक्न दिने क्रिस्पी हुने गरी अनि मेरो ब्रोकोली नि पाकिसकेको छ दाल चाहिँ पाक्न लाग्को छ सो मेरो अन्डा नि तयार भइसकेको छ हार्ड बोइल्ड एग्स चाहिँ almost done भइसक्यो So guys, our lunch is ready and this is what I'm eating. Look at this. It looks so colorful and delicious and my mouth is watering so much. I just can't wait to eat this, but I wanted to show you guys before I start eating. यो चाहिँ ब्रोकोली हो यसमा चाहिँ मैले हल्का नुन स्प्रिंकल गरेको छु same with the egg and then I have some salads अनि यो चाहिँ त्यो pork हो crispy pork. I have some garlic as well. My masala dal looks so yum and yes guys, that's what I'm eating for my lunch today. I cleaned the plate guys. It was so delicious and super healthy as well. Update time guys. So it's about my Ikea drama. If you guys watched my yesterday's video, you guys know that Ikea sent me 2 sets of everything and then charged for that one as well. I never placed that order and I have to deal with this. They took my money, so I contacted them yesterday but their internet was broken and it was not working. So हिजो चाहिँ मैले around 5 o'clock तिर चाहिँ तिनीहरुलाई फोन गरेको थिए. They told me that it's their mistake, so they will give me a full refund, but I have to wait for few days to get the money and they have arranged to pick up their furniture as well. So yes guys, it is kind of annoying cause that's their fault and they are not paying my money immediately. They are just saying that they will collect the furniture and then they will refund the money. It's really bad. I really love Ikea but the customer service was not 100%. So yeah guys, what can you do? As long as I'm getting my money, I'm alright with that. I was talking to this lady on the phone and she was really rude. Told me that she will give our refund in 10 days. Like seriously, it's not my mistake. I have to wait so long for my own money. So yeah guys, I talked with her manager and he was really nice and calm and he told me that he will give me my money as soon as possible. 10 दिन चाहिँ wait गर्नु पर्दैन रे managerले भनेको. So I'm really happy about it and yeah, that's the update about my Ikea drama. So guys, I got a packet. Oh my god, so hard to open. And let's see what's in here. Sorry, I can't show you the package because यसको चाहिँ तत्तै उस लेखेको थियो मेरो एड्रेस. So guys, यो आको छ. यो चाहिँ मैले eBay बाट मगाएको थिए and I paid around £1 for this one. Most of my orders are so cheap and it is from China. अनि यो चाहिँ hook हो. टावलहरु अड्काउने अथवा जे अड्काए नि हुन्छ. It is kind of cute as well. It is people shape hook and as you guys can see, there is a man and a woman holding the hook. Basically you just hook it in your cupboards and you can hang your towels and stuff like that and I'm really happy with it. Quality एकदमै राम्रो छ. पैसा पनि त्यति महँगो परेको हैन. So I'm really glad with my order. अर्को चाहिँ यो आको छ. I don't know what is this as well. So let's check it out. So यो चाहिँ मेरो belly ring रहेछ guys. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute. Can you guys see this? It is heart shaped. As you guys can see, दुईटा heart shaped छ. एउटा चाहिँ pink color को rhinestone भरिएको छ. अर्को चाहिँ यो white color को diamond भएर बनेको heart shape छ. It is in pink and white color and it is so cute guys. अनि मैले यो चाहिँ eBay बाट नै मगाएको. I'm so into belly rings if you guys don't notice that, but yeah guys, I love it. It is one of my favorite belly ring to be honest. जस्तो मैले सोचेको थिए exactly त्यस्तो छ. ठुलो पनि छैन, सानो पनि छैन. It's the best. अनि यदि तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ यस्तो बडी को ज्वेलरीहरु किन्न छ भने चाहिँ eBay बाट किन्नुस् किनभने एकदमै चीप हुन्छ. त्यही हो, टाइम चाहिँ लाग्छ तर एकदमै राम्रो हुन्छ क्वालिटी. अहिले सम्म चाहिँ मैले कहिले पनि धोका खाएको छैन eBay को ज्वेलरीहरुबाट. यो सेलरबाट चाहिँ मैले पहिला पनि बेली रिङ मगाएको थिए. यस्तो चिलाउने यस्तो प्रब्लम केही पनि आएको थिएन मलाई. So I'm really pleased with this purchase as well. So yes guys, look at this, so pretty and it is super dangly. मलाई चाहिँ थाहा थिएन यो चाहिँ यस्तो वाला छ भनेर, तर it is even cuter than my imagination. Let me zoom in for you guys. Look at that. So pretty toy. Oh, so cute. Can't wait to wear this. So यो हुकलाई चाहिँ यसरी झुन्डाउने हो, ड्ररमा जता झुन्डाइने हुन्छ, ढोकामा झुन्डाइने हुन्छ. यो केटावाला पनि मैले यही झुन्डाइदिएको छु. अनि यो चाहिँ मेरो टावल हो. यसलाई चाहिँ यसरी हुक गर्न मिल्छ. Look at that. Isn't it cute? I just love it, guys. It's only £1 and you get 2 of those and I think it is worth buying. Heavy कुराहरु चाहिँ राख्न मिल्दैन obviously. यसै towelsहरु अनि सानसानो किचनको स्टफहरु झुन्डाउन मिल्छ and thumbs up from me. Okay guys, that's all for today. Right now I'm also editing my videos and eating some buttermint. It's so good. I just love it. If you haven't tried buttermint, then go ahead and try it. You can find it in Poundland. And yeah guys, I will see you soon. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment and hit the notification bell for more updates. Bye.